My name is Chris. Ako ang husband ni Minette, ni Mrs. Market.
I'm Minette, the Minette in the Mrs. Market by Minette.
What inspired you to start your business?
The love for food,
Yeah, the
Yes.
love for creating good food.
yeah, and the passion to share the taste of home to our kababayans here in Melbourne. Siyempre, namimiss nila yung mga authentic Filipino food. So, I think yung wife ko especially, siya yung talagang motivated her to start this business.
And also, ang greatest inspiration namin yung mga anak namin. That, yun talaga yung pinaka-core kung saan namin kinukuha, hinuhugot.
So bakit pala Mrs. Market?
The MRS for the Mrs. M stands for Miguel, R stands for Rafael, and S stands for Stella. So, yun yung mga names ng mga anak namin. And then Market, it's a combination of my mom's name and my name, Marikita, and then Minette. Yung K doon, Chris.
Kahit wag na ako isali, okay.
That's great to hear. Meron palang reason behind ng bawat letra, di ba? Okay. Introduce yourselves and the products of Mrs. Market.
My name is Chris. Ako ang husband ni Minette, ni Mrs. Market.
I'm Minette, the Minette in the Mrs. Market by Minette. Pinaka-core product namin is siomai. Yun yung isa sa mga bestseller namin. Siomai, we have tocino, longganisa, tapa, atsara. Now, yung pinaka-newest namin is the chili garlic para perfect combination with the siomai.
How do we buy your products?
We do have takis on sa mga iba-ibang mga suburb. You can actually visit our page, Facebook and Instagram. So, Mrs.Market by Minette. We do have TikTok as well. Nandun yung mga list nung kasi mahaba. Baka may makalimutan ka.
May mga Filipino store kami ng mga partners. Mainly sa west side, we have Maswerte, which is in Sunshine.
Balikbayan Groceries,
Balikbayan
sa
Groceries.
Kensington. We do have West Side, Filipino
sa-
Asian sa Taylor Steele.
Taylor Steele,
And yung pinaka-newest yung sa add to cart niya sa Sunbury. West Side din.
Yep. Philmart.
Philmart
din.
sa Roxburgh Park.
Yep.
Pinoy
Andun yung
tayo,
sa Epic.
Pretty Burn.
Ayan.
Okay. And
Meron
then,
din sa
Foods Tray, Asian Pantry.
sa Southeast, si
Manila's Best.
Manila's Best.
Yes,
Yeah.
Manila's Best.
Sa mga cafes din, meron din sa Quick Delicious, sa Brave Roof.
Brave
Roof ba
Roof.
yun?
Number
Eh,
93.
Number 93, Filipino Barbecue House, sa
We do
Turnley.
Sa Cobo Bank, Amelia Cafe.
Cafe.
Almost lahat ng products namin nasa menu nila. Escobar Kitchen, our longganisa.
Sa Forest Hill.
Parang-
Asiaverse sa
Asia
Lara.
Verse sa Lara. One of our stockists around Lara and Geelong area.
Yeah. Mabuhay sa Werribee.
Happy Hat.
Oh, Happy Hands
Hat.
sa Alban Day.
Alban Bay.
Yun, napin yung mga products namin.
Well done. And of course, sa mga Filipino events katulad
Yes.
ngayon.
Oo.
OC sa
Sa Big Market.
sa Big Market, kami nagjo-join.